Curio AI Toys AI is one of the most exciting and innovative AI software tools to hit the market, and today I'm going to break down the 7 crucial things you need to know about it. If you're looking for a fresh AI solution, you're in the right place. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of whether Curio is the right fit for you. And yes, you can try it for free using the first link below. Let's dive into the details. Curio is a cutting-edge AI tool that's making waves, especially in the realm of interactive, educational, and entertaining AI toys. The software is designed to not only interact with users in a fun way, but also stimulate creativity, learning, and problem-solving skills. Whether you're a parent, a teacher, or someone in the tech world, this software is designed to engage audiences of all ages. The first thing you should know is that Curio isn't just about entertainment. It's built with an educational foundation, combining AI with play-based learning. What's special here is how the AI adapts to the user's behavior, learning from them over time. This means the more you interact with Curio, the better it gets at offering personalized, meaningful interactions. It's truly a revolutionary step forward in terms of AI-powered educational tools. Secondly, Curio boasts an impressive natural language processing capability. This means it doesn't just spout scripted answers. It processes conversations, understands context, and can offer insights or guidance based on a user's previous inputs. For someone new to the software, this makes it a powerful tool for creating rich, dynamic interactions. It's more like having a conversation with a digital companion that learns and evolves with you. Another thing worth noting is its compatibility. Curio works seamlessly across a wide range of devices, from smartphones and tablets to dedicated AI toys. This makes it versatile and easy to incorporate into different environments, whether at home or in a classroom. The flexibility is a huge plus if you're looking for something that works in various settings. Curio also stands out for its creative potential. It allows users to build and modify their own interactive content, from designing scenarios to creating custom characters and activities. This gives users complete control over the experience, making it both a fun and educational tool. Imagine crafting your own AI-driven story or game. Curio makes this a reality with ease. The user interface is another key aspect where Curio excels. It's intuitive, clean, and easy to navigate, which is especially important for those who may not be familiar with AI software. Even though it's packed with powerful features, the design ensures that the learning curve is minimal. One of the most crucial aspects of Curio that sets it apart from other AI toys is its ongoing updates. This software is constantly evolving with new features and improvements. So, as AI technology advances, so does Curio, ensuring it remains a valuable tool for anyone using it. The team behind the software is clearly committed to keeping it relevant and cutting edge. Lastly, it's worth mentioning that Curio places a strong emphasis on privacy and data protection. In today's digital world, privacy is more important than ever, and Curio has made sure that users' data is secure and used responsibly. This is a huge selling point for parents or educators who are concerned about data safety. Now remember, if you want to try Curio AI toys for yourself, you can do so completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. And if you're still on the fence, don't forget that I've also listed some of my top recommended AI software tools after having tried thousands of them myself. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, these tools can help you level up your game. Curio AI Toys is definitely one to watch in the AI space, especially if you're looking for a blend of fun and education. With its deep learning capabilities, versatility, and ongoing updates, it's worth exploring if you're into cutting-edge AI experiences.